Milwaukee Tool came out with a lot of new hedge trimmers, and I have two of their new models in front of me. This is model number 3033, which is a 24-inch hedge trimmer. Big deal here is that we have a head now that will swivel and lock in multiple different places, so you can get very comfortable while you're trimming different hedges. The second one is model 3034-20, which is a 30-inch hedge trimmer, basically the same, and they share a lot of the same specs. Both have a 1 1/4 inch blade gap, 3,200 strokes per minute, and we also are looking at both of them coming in at under 10 pounds, obviously, with the 30-inch being slightly heavier by about a ½ pound. With both models being very similar, let's just quickly take a look at the 24-inch model. The swiveling head is going to happen down at the bottom, and Milwaukee suggests that you remove the battery so that you don't inadvertently turn on the trimmer anytime you swivel the head. It's ambidextrous at the bottom. You can pull on either side. You can pull on both sides. Doesn't matter. This will lock into different places, and the handle rotates a little more than 180 degrees. Very, very nice to be able to get your placement while you're trimming. Now, when you are going to turn this on, you have two safeties. Safety in the handle that you have to push up, and a safety in the back before you can pull the trigger. It's very, very smooth compared to many of them that are out there on the market. The trigger is wider, if you can see it, but you have to pull it in quite some distance before it actually turns on. And it is a single speed trigger, not a variable speed trigger, but it's very comfortable, very quiet to see. Take a look at that. Very nice. Now, you do not have to have the sweeper that goes on the top, and this sweeper simply installs by going over here and connecting to the outermost section, and then it slides just inside this guard. So it is going to be very sturdy, allow you to move things around, but you cannot put the guard on the top with the sweeper in place. Same thing is going to be with the 30-inch model. You'll see we have this black area over the top. When we line this up, there is a cutout section that's going to sit over top of that. We'll want to get our area over the red, slide it on, make sure it's pushed in up at the guard in front, and there you have it. Same exact head and rotating handle for the 3034 with the larger blades. Same thing, going to have a 1 1/4 inch gap in there. Very nice, very smooth. I think that is one of the bigger upgrades that I see here. You don't feel any of the vibrations through the tool at all. Very comfortable. Current MSRP is $279 for the 3033, which is the 24-inch. $329 for the 30-inch 3034-20. So there's a $50 difference between the two. So if you need to have the 30-inch, you're going to pay a little bit more. There are some sales out there. I'm not going to put them in this video at this point in time because it seems like these videos go on for a while, then the sales aren't there. Look around. I assume that you'll find these for $50 off. There might even be more down the road, and you might find this guy for $199. It's really something that if I had, and I do, I have the old M18 model, I'm fully into upgrading just because of how smooth it is. I think that's a huge factor in these. They just feel really great in your hands. No vibration coming through. They run awesome. Now, it's the middle of winter. It's hard for me to get out and test these, but I do have some bushes that we are going to pull out. So I'm going to take and run over these a little bit. You'll be able to see how they work. You'll be able to see a little bit more of the significance that they can cut. And I'll be back with these more as we get into the spring, and as we use them more, we'll do a catch-up review after they've had some use, and we'll be able to talk about everything here. So far, these remind me of some other models that are out there that we have done reviews on with the rotating handle. I really, really think that rotating handle is big, along with how smooth they are. So, comments, questions, anything you'd like, put them below. Give us a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.